solve this together. It says 2 raised to the power x plus x is equal to 5. Okay, we're going to solve for x in this question. Now, the first thing we can do here is to say that we can rewrite this as 2 raised to the power x to be equal to 5 minus x. Okay. Now, moving on from here, let's divide both sides by 2 raised to the power x. 2 raised to the power x raised to 2 raised to the power x to give us 1. And this is equal to 5 minus x multiplied by 2 raised to the power negative x. Okay. So at this point, you can say, observing this equation, you can see that we have x both as a power and as a base. Now we're going to use what is known as the Lambert-Zorn formula to approach this. And what does the Lambert-Zorn formula state? The Lambert-Zorn formula is a formula that states that when we have something that looks like x raised to the power x, okay, so x being the power and x being the base as well, we're going to try to express this in the form of xe to the power of x. Once we've expressed this in the form of xe to the power of x, if we take the w of xe to the power of x, it is equal to x, okay? So we'll go ahead and make this look like xe to the power of x. When we take the w, which is called the product log of xe to the power of x, it should give us x, okay? So let's do that now. And we have that 1 is equal to 5 minus x multiplied by 2 raised to the power negative x. In order to make this power and this base uniform, we are going to multiply both sides by 2 raised to the power 5. So we have that 2 raised to the power 5 times 1 is 2 raised to the power 5 to be equal to 5 minus x multiplied by 2 raised to the power 5 multiplied by 2 raised to the power negative x is 2 raised to the power negative x plus 5, which is something as 2 raised to the power 5 minus x, okay? We can say that you can now see that here and here, we now have something uniform there. So we can say, let's go ahead and express 2 in the form of e. Because remember that we said that we have to have w of xe to the power of x, okay? So I want to put e here, I want to replace 2 with e. So how do we do that now? So the way to do that is to say that when you have logarithm in base e of 2 to be equal to y, we have that e raised to the power y is equal to 2. Okay, this is given from the laws of logarithm. What this implies is that e raised to the power y, what's our y? Log of 2 to base e. Okay, so log of 2 to base e is y, meaning that we can go ahead and replace y with log of 2 to base e. Now, this same log of 2 to base e is also expressed as ln of 2. So it means that we have e raised to the power ln of 2 to be equal to 2. Okay, so now using this analogy now, we can go ahead and replace 2 with e raised to the power ln of 2 there. So we have 2 raised to the power 5 to be equal to 5 minus x multiplied by e raised to the power ln of 2 raised to the power, okay, 5 minus x. Alright, now moving on from here, we now have that 2 raised to the power 5 is equal to 5 minus x multiplied by, we have e raised to the power ln of 2 multiplied by 5 minus x. Okay, now at this point you can see that we have ln of 2 here, but we don't have our e installed between this and this, but we now have ln of 2 here, so we'll multiply both sides by ln of 2 so that we'll maintain the unison in the powers. Okay, so we'll have ln of 2 times 2 raised to the power 5 is ln of 2 multiplied by 2 raised to the power 5 to be equal to ln of 2 times this is ln of 2 into 5 minus x multiplied by e raised to the power ln of 2 into 5 minus x. Okay, moving on from here, we can now say, let's now apply our w. So we take the w of both sides. Okay, recall that this is 2 raised to the power 5, which is 32, so we can say that this is w of 32 multiplied by ln of 2 to be equal to w of this side. When we had w of x e to the power of x, we say that the answer was x. So when we take the W of this e to the power of this, the answer will be one of these. So we have ln of 2 multiplied by 5 minus x. Okay? Now moving on from here, we can divide both sides by ln of 2. So we have that W of 32 multiplied by ln of 2 divided by ln of 2 is equal to 5 minus x. And finally, our x here is equal to, right, moving on from here, we can divide both sides by ln of 2. So we'll have that W of 32 ln of 2 is divided by ln of 2 to give us 5 minus x. Okay, hence our x here will now be equal to 5 minus W of 32 ln of 2 divided by ln of 2. This becomes the final answer to this question. Thanks for watching.
What's going on, guys? It's watching here editing this video. As you can see, about 99% of you guys are not subscribed to the channel, so please subscribe, like, comment, and share my videos, as this helps to push my videos out to more viewers out there. The more you subscribe, the more viewers can see my videos, the more we grow in this community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.